one character. So we're just going to kind of go through some of the different moments throughout the story that we've worked on. We took images because, for instance, what we're doing with puppetry requires us to first off figure out how to move as a unit, how to create the character to begin with, and then beyond that adding on stories. So there's a little bit more than, there's a lot going on all at once. So we're going to take it very simple, or very simply. So the first thing we're going to do is our puppet team up here is going to take one of our puppets and move it yours. Here is our puppet. And one of the things we want to explore was how to create different characters with the same puppet, so that you can, by changing the way that the puppet moves, you can change the character. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go through the 4 different royals. So we're going to have a king, a queen, a prince, and a princess. So, ladies, if you wouldn't mind finding a nice kingly pose. Kingly pose with a nice kingly breath. And whenever we're ready, the king would like to just take a little stroll to the end of the table. Very nice, very nice, very good. Now let's move on to the queen. So getting in that same, more or less same stance, but then augmenting that physicality to be slightly less like a king and much more like a queen. Some queenly breaths. Great, and then she maybe has a little movement to finish here. Excellent, thank you very much. And then moving back. Now let's have our prince. How does our prince stand? His wrists in front of his waist. Good. Nice stance, I like that. And some princely breaths, and then the princely walk. Last but not least, let's have a little princess. So how does our princess stand? How does our princess begin to breathe? And whenever our princess is ready, she All right, so the next thing, and I'm just going to blast right through here, so bear with me.